In this video, I'll give you a tour around hosting gear, and I'll show you how to easily create a WordPress website. So if you're here, probably you already know what hosting gear is. Let me log into my account. And I've been using this hosting provider lately for some small projects. And I think it's great. The price is great and it's incredibly simple to use. So anyways, once you have login into your account, you will find this home page with access to different parts of the dashboard. So here I can claim a free domain with my new plan. I get access to the hosting settings. You can have more than one hosting service into your account. And if you have set any email accounts, you will see them here. So next, I can see the list of my websites. In this case, I have two websites, one WordPress website and one plain HTML. I can create or migrate a new website from here. Next, this is the hosting plan I bought. And as I was telling you, you can add another hosting plan from here. In this case, as you can see here, this is set to the South America data center. And you can change that anyways. If you want to set your emails, do it from here. From here, you will see the domains, and you can buy a new domain directly from Hostinger, or you will see your domains if you have domains in a different domain provider. If you have a VPS or want to upgrade to a VPS plan, do it from here. Here you will find your billing settings, and of course here your account, change the language, and here they have this pro panel thing, which is a different panel like this one, but it doesn't matter. I will show you that later. So anyways, let me show you quickly this. So if you go to websites, well, from here you can access the admin panel, or you can manage your website. And this will take you to this dashboard. We are in the hosting tab, where you can change some server settings for this specific website. As you can see, we get daily backups. So from here, you can manage those. You can restore your website from an older date. You can download or restore some specific files, your database, or manually create a new backup. Sorry. Let's go here, manage. And from here, you have an overview of your WordPress website, like the database. If you can enable, of course, HTTPS for all the pages. We can install Lightspeed. So as you can see, we have some recommendations. You get SSL certificates for free. You can install some plugins. And you can create an staging environment. You have some security features. You can set it to get automatic updates on your theme and plugins. You can see some details of your plan. You can see how many resources are you using in your entire plan. You can renew it, upgrade. From here, you can change. You can make some page speed test, which I'm getting very bad results. But this is a new website, so it doesn't matter. You can access some analytics from here. You get access to enable the CDN that comes with the plan. Next, you have more security, like a malware scanner or settings for the SSL certificate. Then you can set the main domain for the entire hosting plan. You can create subdomains, redirects. In this case, you can migrate a website, how to install a WordPress website with WooCommerce. And you can do many things, and this is very similar to other hosting providers. I don't know, like SiteGround. And see, you can auto install a Joomla website or many other CMS. You can copy a website. You can access your files directly from a file manager, which will take you to this kind of FTP access. So you can access the public HTML and all your folders and your files. You can access the database from phpMyAdmin or create a remote access to the database. And of course, you have some more advanced settings like the DNS editor. You can change the PHP version for this website. You can create an SSH access. You can set a cache. You can, in this case, I have a shared IP address. You can allow and unblock some IP addresses. And well, this is mainly what you can do with Hostinger. I have the business plan, which is, I think they say, is the most popular one. And again, this is very similar to most of managed WordPress hosting providers. This is probably the same you will see in other services like SiteGround, with a different interface, with a different layout, but it's very similar. So now let me show you how to create a WordPress website here in Hostinger. So let's go to websites. From here, click on create. And we have this, it will ask us this, if what type of website are we creating. In this case, I'm going to skip this. So we want to create a new website. And now we can auto install our WordPress website with AI, which is it's a Hostinger plugin. And we can choose to install a website with the Hostinger builder. I'll do another separate full tutorial on the Hostinger builder. So in this case, today we are selecting WordPress with AI. So now we'll ask us a few things about this website. In this case, the language, the email we're using, and the password, which it's okay. Continue. And as you can see, we can select to add these plugins. I will skip it. And now it's asking us which theme we want to install into our WordPress website. So this is something that we can do select now, or we can select later when we have our website already installed. So I'm going to skip it. I don't need a template. Maybe we have a template of our own that we will upload. And now it's asking us to automate the text creation with AI. So this says, provide your brand name and business detail, and ChatGPT will handle the rest. This will generate a few content pieces for your website. So, okay, let's say the relevant is a YouTube channel. The purpose of teaching marketing tutorials for everyone. I'm going to change this, that publishes tutorial for everyone. Okay, let's see what this does. So In this case, now the next step is to choose if we want to claim a free domain, which in this case I have a free domain available that I haven't claimed. I can buy a domain directly from Hostinger, or I can select use an existing domain. So today I'm going to choose use an existing domain, and I'm going to set it to dsp.cl, which is a domain I have. But what I want to show you is this. So this existing domain is not pointing to Hostinger. It's actually pointing to SiteGround, but I'm going to leave that and won't change that. I'm going to leave it just like that and click on continue. So our website is built, and probably because we gave the information about our brand and short description, and I set it to create with AI with the help of ChatGPT some content for the website. It will take a bit longer, but probably if you skip that step, this will be faster. Anyways, it's already on almost 80%, so this is very fast. So while we wait, let me tell you about my experience. It's been great. I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and it's super simple to use, as you can see. I will recommend it for small projects, websites that don't have a high amount of traffic, website that don't have like thousands of visits per day. But if you have a personal project or your corporate website or a small project for a client, this is great. So that's done. So we are almost there. Content creation is on the way. And as you can see, now we need to select which is the next step. Of course, this is asking us to connect the domain, but I won't do that. And what I want to do is to see this website. And let's go to the admin panel. So as you can see, here's the domain I set, DSP.cl. But because I haven't set my domain properly, I haven't pointed my domain to Hostinger, it creates this alternative, I guess, temporary domain that we can use to create and edit this website. And maybe later we can point the domain to this server. So anyway, so as you can see, this comes with a Hostinger plugin, which helps you to get started. But if you already know what to do, you can deactivate this plugin. So the website is published. From here, we can edit the description. Let's go to the post, and it's giving us some basic steps to get our site ready. So if I click on visit site, as you can see, this comes with a basic WordPress theme already installed. And let me show you. If I click here on plugins, I have this Hostinger plugin, this other Hostinger AI assistant, and I have this Lightspeed Catch plugin as well. So what I'm going to do is to deactivate these ones, because I know what I'm doing, so I don't need that. I will leave this because it doesn't matter. And next thing, if you're creating a WordPress website and maybe this is your first time or you still don't know what to do, what I recommend you is go to, well, give it a look. So check if this is for you. Maybe you like this theme. Actually, before this, if you go to themes, you will see that your WordPress website already has 3 themes installed. In this case, the 2024 comes by default with the latest WordPress version, but give it a try, see if this is for you. And if it's not, you can come here to themes, click on add new theme. And from here, you will have access to thousands of WordPress themes that are available for free. Some are the basic versions. You will find some freemium versions. You will find a bit of everything. So from here, you can filter by the most popular ones, the latest. If you want to use a blog theme, or maybe you want to use a visual builder like Elementor. So here you need to choose the theme you will use. Let's say we want to use Astra, which is incredibly popular. Click on it and you will see a preview of the website. And think if you like the style of this. So if you like the style, this is for you, and click on install. This will take a minute, a few seconds actually. And now you can activate it. So, well, in this case, this is something that it's quite annoying when you are working with this temporary domain, that you get this all the time, every time you refresh a page. So anyways, so I'm going to refresh this. And as you can see, because I changed the theme, now it's looking like this. And look at it's given there's an about page, I think, that it was created by ChatGPT with the small description I gave it in the website creation process. So maybe I won't go into the details of reading this, but maybe it's not that bad. So anyways, give it a try and maybe it will be helpful for you. But it's free and it's there, so why not? Anyways, so this is how you create, you install your first WordPress website easily with Hostinger. And as you can see, this took us, I don't know, a few minutes, a few clicks. I didn't go into any technical things like going to the server or moving files or uploading files. It was incredibly simple and helpful. So now if I go back to Hostinger, to the H panel, which is called, from here now, I can see the server settings for this website. So in this case, well, the domain status the domain is not pointed to Hostinger yet, and I get same data that I showed you before. I get some tips to improve it. I can access my files. I can access the database, and of course, I can make adjustments to this server so this website runs as I want. So anyways, that's it, guys. This is Hostinger, and this was a very quick overview on how this hosting provider works. But I hope this was helpful for you if you are trying to decide which hosting provider to use for your next project. I can tell you Hostinger is a great option, especially because it works fine, it works well, it's fast, and it's very simple to use, and the price is great. And probably you will find a great discount because they are always offering discounts. So anyways, if you have decided that you will work with Hostinger, I will leave a link in the description, which I appreciate if you decide to buy a plan here, use my link, which is an affiliate link, and of course, that will help me a lot. Anyways, Again, I hope this was helpful for you. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below the video. And please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.